October, Ward CNC are hosting their first ever open house here at their Midlands and South Showroom in Redditch. So let's take a look at what's on show. Sorry to interrupt, guys. Stuart, you're the sales and general manager of the Redditch facility. Now, you guys have got an open house coming up, but could you tell me a little bit about the background and the thinking behind it?
Yeah, it's very much an event for people to meet the team, the new team here at Ward CNC. We've had some very positive changes over the last 12 months, so that's one of the main drivers. The other one is to see what we do here, how we do it, and what's on offer, what we can help offer to our customers.
And when you talk about open houses, there's quite a few open houses at the moment, but what makes yours a little bit different?
I think it's going to be an insight into TW Ward, but it's what we do and how we do it, how we interact, how our quality of service, the products that we have on offer. And so really for people to get sort of under the skin, a bit away from the advertising, and just see and interact with us for a few hours whilst they're here.
And when you look at the machines that you've got here, can we take a look at them?
Certainly. I mean, here we've got a 2-axis 10-inch chuck machine, probably starting at the bottom end of the technology, shall we say, but still a very good seller that's used by a lot of our customers. Multi-axis from Tacky Sour, twin spindle, twin turret. Over here we've got the smallest vertical, LV450, high and high weir, right next to a twin turret, twin spindle, multi-axis, top of the range from high and high weir. A larger LV800, high and high weir, again, a lot of high and high weir. Some Hartford as well, 2 Hartfords here, the HMC 1270, very rigid, heavy duty metal cutting machine. The Pro 800, a workhorse for any machine shop.
And are these machines all going to be powered and live?
They are, they'll all be cut in so that people can see them, yes.
What's the benefits?
The benefit is people can really get an appreciation of what the machine tool's capable of. Twin spindle, single turret, high and high weir, L230 LMS behind you, an 18-inch L400, very strong workhorse there. And here on my left is the Hartford Pro 1000 with the hard roll control.
And what else is on offer? Do you have any partners?
We do. We've got selected partners that we've worked with for many years, so people that bring a benefit to what we do when we put a turnkey solution in, add benefit. And also it's a shop window for them to come along, bring their customers, see how they work with us.
So how can engineers register?
Register on the dedicated page, so look forward to seeing you. Please register, please come along.